Blue hair color ideas offer a diverse range of options for those seeking a bold and vibrant look. From subtle hints of blue to full-on electric hues, the possibilities are endless. One popular choice is the denim blue, which mimics the faded look of well-loved jeans and adds a touch of edginess to any hairstyle. This shade works well on both light and dark hair, providing versatility for those looking to experiment with different looks. For those who want to make a statement, there's the option of going for a vivid electric blue. This bold shade instantly grabs attention and exudes confidence and personality. It's a perfect choice for individuals who want to stand out from the crowd and showcase their unique style. Pairing this vibrant blue with a sleek haircut or intricate braids can further enhance the overall effect, creating a striking and memorable look. Alternatively, pastel blue offers a softer and more ethereal aesthetic. This delicate shade adds a touch of whimsy and femininity to any hairstyle, making it a popular choice among those looking for a more subtle approach to blue hair. Pastel blue looks particularly stunning when incorporated into ombre or balayage styles, creating a seamless transition from roots to ends and adding dimension to the hair. For those who prefer a more unconventional look, there's the option of combining blue with other colors to create unique and eye-catching hair color ideas. Whether it's pairing blue with purple for a cosmic-inspired look or blending it with silver for a futuristic vibe, mixing blue with other shades opens up endless possibilities for creativity and personal expression. Whether you're looking for a bold and daring statement or a subtle and whimsical touch, blue hair color ideas offer something for everyone to experiment with and express their individual style.